Hi everyone, welcome to my Cloud Development B Project 1. So this is called ABC Retail Storage System MVC. This project is about consumer profiles, products and product media and log files. So basically one should be able to store, add, delete, view information about a consumer profile and products and any attachments to them and any log files and anything created. I do apologize if my voice is a bit off today, please don't mind. So now let me begin this project by running it for you guys. Okay, so firstly we are greeted by the welcome page. We are only going to work on these few over here, the products, product media, inventory, order, log files and customer profiles. So some of the information here, you'll see there's already stuff here because I've worked through it, I've added and populated the information here. So first we start off by creating a new profile. So let's just create someone random. Just create myself. Okay, let's just say 3 zeros for example. Now I'm going to create that. Now as you can see, this information is here. On my SQL, since this is connected to a local database, you can see it's not here, but if I were to run this again, the information does pop up over here. So that is good. So now let's just view the details. I can also edit this, so let's make it a little bit more professional. Okay, let's just do that, and there we go. It's here, so on SQL it will change. Customer profile updated successfully. Now let's go and add a product. So I did one earlier recently. Let's do another one. Let's create a new one. Let's name it Checkers. Okay, description is, I'm just going to say free food, but nothing is really free, but it's fine. Let's make it, let's just say someone spends 9,000 Rand. Okay. Now let's just add any random image. There we go. Any random one. So that has been uploaded. So where is Checkers? There we go. And I can edit and delete that as well, but it's fine. I just want to see the details. That's just a random image I put over there. Okay, so now products media, if you want to, there's Checkers already, but let's say we want to upload a new product to something, or maybe add something. Let's say I want to add a second image or something else. I can do that as well and have it uploaded. So that will be two things instead of one. So it's going to put a record here of the type of file, it's a screenshot, what products it is, and so forth. I can edit, delete, and so forth, but let's move on to the inventory. So created now recently at this time and date was this recent screenshot. So as you can see, Uber Eats over here was just created a while ago. So here, if I want to edit this, right, let's take this out and let's change the message text and storage file to Checkers. Let me just see. Okay, sorry, no. Let's just name it as free food. Actually, that's better. Free food media upload. Let's make it number 12. Severity not needed. Created date. Let's save that. Okay, so there we go. The product ID has changed. It's not needed right now. I'm not going to delete anything. The order queue, this is, okay, that's the recent one, 844, so it must be this one here that's been created. If I, okay, let's just save the details, order number. If I were to edit that, okay, let's not edit that. Let's just create a new order queue. Free food for today. Okay, let's just do that. You order 16 if anything for today. So basically what I've done here is from creating the profile to the products or to adding anything, checking if we have stock in inventory or not, and then adding it onto an order if it must go or not. That is what I've done here. I've placed it into a category, an order ID, anything you can do here. And now the log files. This is actually one of my favorite. This here keeps track record of every single thing. One can view the details, edit, delete, and download the attachments. This is, as you can see, the recent ones here now. And this is just this one over here. I can create a new log file if I want to. Checkers food. No attachment yet. Okay, it wants me to. Let's just add the same previous attachment and let's see what happens. And there we go. It's been logged in today in the inventory. This is it's already been logged over here, but if you want to add it manually, you can as well. So that just shows you that information is saved, logged, and stored. It can always be checked. Customer profiles, you can see this is over here. This was also created recently. Now, if I'm going to show you my SQL now, I can say, okay, that has changed now recently. Now let's look at the products. Sorry, this is where I was removing some null values which were not needed. This was test data that I just entered automatically. I didn't have to create. If I want to show you products, then as you can see, stuff is already done. Checkers, there we go. Okay, the amount is 9,000. Anything from products media, screenshots and things are uploaded. From the order queues, what have I got? This is a big one. There we go. I think that's this one here, the date and time. This is the one created. Log files has got all this information here. Checkers food, that's the latest one. Null values because I did not put any image in, which is fine. And then free food, there we go. Those two are here. That's been created. So that's it basically for ABC Retail. It saves on a local database and so forth. If I were to show you the stuff here, I've got my models, I've got controllers and so forth. It's already been saved and connected to GitHub. So that's it for this project. Thank you so much.